Your volume's working. I was just playing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, as we continue our trek through division, we're going to do a problem today. We'll check it today. Maybe we'll do it in partial quotient today. Who knows? Could be anything. Our problem is 713 divided by 19. Remember, we always say what's being broken in. Our dividend first. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Now I've got to go over here and do the most difficult part of division. Listing the multiples. I think I said factors on one of the videos yesterday. Multiples of 19. 19 times 1 is
19.
Times 2 is
38.
times 3
57.
times 4
76.
times 5
95.
times 6
114.
times 7
133.
times 8
152.
times 9
171.
All right, you only have to do the first 9 multiples of 19. Multiples are when you just kind of list out the multiples, what they equal, list out the products. Now we go back to our problem, the easy part of division. Because once we've done this, the most difficult part of division, then all we have to know is how to subtract. Now, Travis doesn't like to divide his up like this, but you know, I do. So that's what I'd be doing. And then I have to ask Eli, does 19 go into 7? No, you're not Eli. Shh. Eli, does 19 go into 71? 3 times, because I got to get as close to 71 as I can on my multiples without going over. 57 is as close as I can get without going over because 76 is more than 71. Good job, Eli. So it is 3. Oh, now I got to know 19 times 3 because then I got to put it... Oh, wait, we've already done that because it's the hardest part of division. 19 times 3 is 57. We subtract and we get, let's see, 6, 11, and 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 4. And so 14, and 14 is less than 19. So we don't have a problem there. Now we have to bring down our 3. And I need to see if, how many times 14 goes into 143. Travis, how many times does 14 go into, or 19 go into 143?
7.
Because I want to get as close as I can without going over. 152 is obviously too big. So it has to be 19 times 7, which is 133. 133, then I subtract, I get 10. 10 is definitely less than 19. So that will work. So I have 37 as my quotient with a remainder of 10. But once again, Zane texted me last night actually and said, Mr. McMurdo, when you do the problem today, 713 divided by 19, I don't even know how he knew I was going to do that problem, will you also check it with multiplication? I'm like, sure, Zane. I might have done that anyway. So we take our quotient of 37, multiply it by our divisor of 19. And again, all I need to know is 9s. If I know my 9s and my 1s, then this is a pretty easy thing to do. I have 9 times 7, which is 63. 63 1s equals 6 10s and 3 1s. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 6 is 23. Is that right? 27 plus 6? 33. Thank you. So 37 times 9 is 333. But now, as Zane always points out, since you're moving to the tens place here, you're actually multiplying it by 10. So we're doing 37 times 10, which means we have to start here, and we have 7 and 3, and we add, and we get 3, and we get 10, and we get 7. So I have 703. Oh no.
Add the remainder.
Add the remainder. If I add the remainder of 10, then I do get 713. So unless I made the same mistake in my checking it as I did in my doing it, then that's probably correct. But let's check and try it the partial quotient way, just for fun. Just for fun. So I have 713 as my dividend, 19 as my divisor, and I'm going to do this in bigger chunks. So let's say 19 times 10, because I can do 19 times 10 in my head. What is 19 times 10?
190.
190. And I subtract, I get 3, 6, 11, 9, 10, 11, 2, 5, 23. If I'm doing my math right, keep an eye on me now. And I can do 19 times 10 again, which I know is 190. And I can do 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 333. All right. So I can do 19 times 10 again. Subtract 190. 3, that would be 9, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 143. Can I do 19 times 10 again? No. Because 190 is more than 143, so I couldn't subtract 190 from 143. But now I can go over to the most difficult part of division, and that's listing my multiples, which some of you try to do, just searching it up, multiples of 24. And then I see it on the GoGuardian, I close it out, do the work. And I need to get as close to 143 as I can without going over. Boom, 133. Subtract, I get 10, 10, 20, 30. 30 plus, what did I do here? 7, 37, remainder 10. So all 3 ways that I've done this, checked it, and all of that, all came up with the same quotient. Brinley. Oh, just stretching. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you. Just something kind today. Save the bees. Subscribe.